Guys, look at the, it's so cute.
Yo, wait till our
Start say hi. This is so cute, guys. What? This is so cute.
I'm trying to get us situated. Thank you so much. There's even another place down. This is orange.
Really?
So much space in here.
Wow, yeah. This is cute.
Yeah, and then there's the deck at the top too.
Toronto, okay?
And then you got the car yacht.
Sorry, girl.
I'm sorry.
I'm not gonna do vlog, you know, regular.
I like use the sink for storage over this table because this will shift. And
Okay.
a lot of people put their bags and things here that they want to keep out the way.
Okay.
You guys come up, we'll go through safety.
Okay, y'all, so we're on the boat. It's so cute, guys.
But through the top, there's like a deck.
Vicky, shout out Vicky for inviting us.
Shout out, yeah, this is my uncle's boat, y'all.
Period. Looking pretty too. Alright, so we're gonna go through safety and then...
Oh yeah, let's go.
All my guys do have makeup. We do have quick makeup on the boat. But we look cute regardless, okay?
Cute.
Guys, this is so cute, guys. You guys don't understand how gassed I am. Shout out Vicky for real. Come on.
Too much talking on the shots. We put in them last but not bad. They on God, they on God. Bring my Jerry Jennifer.
talking about right now?
She says, what fuck you?
I love you.
Just give me drunk.
No, we're actually gone. Like we're gone.
It's actually cute. I love her.
I love
y'all. Subscribe. Like she's literally like fashion designer, YouTuber. What else? What else?
Never thought that we could become.
Successful day.
Did you have fun? I had so much fun. Oh my god.
I'm glad you had fun.
I'm still tripped up. It's okay.
Okay, we have more liquor.
Oh, guys, I'm not sober. That's what I can tell you for sure.
Why not? I'm
like, call me babe.
Straight like, take me.
Call me babe. I miss you. Call me.
No, cause what liquor?